Hello and welcome. Let's see the course curriculum for Python Programming A to Z course. This course has multiple sections. The first section is Python step-by-step basic to advanced level section. In this section, you will learn about the introduction of Python, course curriculum overview, Python 3 versus Python 2, and how to approach this course. You will learn about environment setup, Python installation, Anaconda, Jupyter notebooks, additional learning resources, Git, Bitbucket, GitHub. Also, you will learn about online editors which are available for this Python practice. Exercises and quizzes would be the major part in this course. You will learn about object and data structures, numbers, lists, dictionaries, files, tulips, sets, booleans. Also the practical exercises and quiz with that. You will learn about real-time practice, exercises, assignments, homework, and quizzes as well. You will learn about the comparison operators, conditional expressions, basic operators, chained operators, and exercises and quiz for them. Python statement, FL statement, loops, while, for, ranges, list comprehensions. You will learn about methods and functions, lambda expressions, and nested statements. You would get the same assignment project as a homework. And you will learn about the object-oriented programming with the classes, objects, methods, inheritance, special functions with exercises. Error and exceptional handling, try, except, finally, errors, exceptions with practice. You will learn about module and packages, module creation, module installation, Python ecosystem, and you will get another assignment project which covering all these things. You will learn about the built-in functions, reduce, map, all, any, enumerate, complex, and many more, built-in functionality and the exercises. You will learn about the design patterns. What are the design patterns? Observer, command, singleton, builder, and factory design patterns. And also you will practice the exercises with each design pattern as well. You will learn about decorators in Python with exercises. Also, the generators in Python covered in this course, and you will learn about iterations versus generations and how to create generations as well. The second part is the Python for data analysis. So in the Python for data analysis, you will learn about the NumPy arrays and indexes and NumPy operations and why you use this and how to practice the NumPy as well. You will learn about the data analysis through pandas and in series, data frames, missing data, group by, merging, joining, concatenation, operations, data input and output with exercises. You will also get the pure assignment for the panda exercises as well. You will learn in this course Python for data visualizations as well. For data visualizations, we will explore the matplotlib and we will practically perform the exercises for matplotlib. And you will learn about the Python for data visualization using the Seaborn and what the Seaborn library is doing, the distribution, category, metrics, and regression plots and grids as well. You will learn about the styling and colors as well with practical exercises. Python for data visualization with the pandas. We will use the built-in data visualizations using the pandas and practical exercises as well. Python for data visualization with Plotly, Kiplinks, introduction to Plotly and Kiplinks with exercises for Plotly and Kiplinks as well. And you will learn also about the geographical plotting in data visualization with the world data and with the US data, and we will practically draw the choropleth map as well. You will learn the exercises and perform exercises and quizzes as well. And you will get a complete project assignment which covers the data analysis and visualizations as well. So this is all about our course curriculum. So thank you. We are looking forward to join this course and enroll in it, and let's move forward. Thank you and bye for now.